This is a product review on Footwear, New Balance shoes, and inserts. AgX presents product reviews. I'm Damon. Welcome and thank you for joining me. What you wear on your feet can make a difference in your day as far as fatigue. Talking about urban gardening in a whole series here, and just have to plug my favorite shoes, New Balance. Well made. The leather exteriors keep your feet dry in irrigation and water and whatnot. You'll inevitably be around if you're gardening. So I have two models of shoes we're looking at today. This is the model MW983BR New Balance, and the other model that I've been enjoying are made for walking, and this model is MW928BK3. Very comfortable padded soles. I appreciate the brand. Got some loyalty there as far as they claim they're US made for the most part, and they really are well made and they last long. And I like these are also weather resistant and comfortable for walking around the city, which is obviously paved. Do a lot of urban gardening in New York City, hence the backpack full of tools that we'll talk about soon. The gear section, but in addition to the shoes, which come with these inserts, which are very thin and they're squishy. It's kind of nice, but there's absolutely no support in that. That's just like cardboard, whatever, throwaway. So in the New Balance shoes, we're also going to talk about the Walk Hero and Superfeet. My yoga instructor recommended Superfeet, and been enjoying those. But inside here, you just remove the old flimsy one and you put in the new inserts. This is a Walk Hero comfort and support model. So you can see right away just the curvature, and it's got the same kind of squish and a little bit flimsy. This part is much more rigid, and it's got some arch support, which has a little bit of rigidity, and the heel cup is it's also got some additional padding in here. So I've been trying these for a few days. They're an improvement certainly over the just flat nothingness of the cardboard inserts that come with the shoes, and they're about 15 bucks, and I'll put links in the description below. You can check those out. Look at the reviews. They actually get really good reviews, but the one that I've been enjoying even more in these other New Balance shoes is the Superfeet. And this has a much more supportive and rigid structure. The arch support is very obvious when wearing these. I feel very supported. They claim it helps with reduce back pain and like knee and ankle and foot fatigue and aching, because it puts your foot in the correct position so that when you're walking, you're not going sideways or whatever, and causing all kinds of awkward positioning on your body. So plantar fasciitis, I was experiencing some of that before getting these, and now I'm feeling much better, which is like heel pain. Not fun, especially when working and trying to get around town. So these are lovely, and they're about $40, and definitely recommend these. And I'll put descriptions also, or product link in the description. You can check out this. These get very good reviews. This was recommended by my yoga instructor, and he was right on with this recommendation. So I'm passing that recommendation along to you as well. Again, they just slip right into the shoes. So as compared to Flappy, what came with the shoes, and Superfeet, it's much more supportive and rigid. Yeah, so that's what came in this model of New Balance, is that that flimsy, flappy, squishy, squishy. Replacing it with something supportive and rigid has been quite the saver of feet and ankles and knees and hips and back and just the whole walking structure mechanism. In addition to, where did I put them?
Here.
I noticed just wearing regular socks. I didn't think socks could make any difference at all, but wearing regular socks had some fatigue, and then these socks saved me. I noticed a drastic difference in foot comfort, and just at the end of the day, still not having my feet feel worn out. These are Dickies, and they have this wonderful padding, magical stuff. I don't know what unicorns it comes from, wool, but it's not actually wool or unicorns, but it is magical as far as like foot fatigue and just there's just a crew condition, nice and stretchy, reducing foot fatigue. So being able to walk all day and work all day on my feet with heavy things, bags of soil and heavy plants and all that stuff, and the Dickies Sport Crew cushion socks are, I would not skip out on these. I just got some more because these are wearing out already. And also that link will be below. Yeah, so check those out, and I'll definitely get some of those if you're doing any kind of walking. So next we will take apart the gear that I carry, that I recommend highly for doing gardening in urban areas, particularly New York City, Brooklyn. You can get around easily on public transportation with this pack of goodies. So let's dig in the next video.